China's armed forces can paralyze Taiwan's defenses and are able to fully monitor its deployments, Taiwan's defense ministry has said, offering a stark assessment of the rising threat posed by its giant neighbor. Beijing is stepping up military activities around the island, which it views as Chinese territory. It has never renounced the use of force to bring Taiwan under its control. In its annual report to Parliament on China's military, a copy of which was reviewed by Reuters news agency on Wednesday, Taiwan's defense ministry presented a far graver view than it did last year, when the report said China still lacked the capability to launch a full assault on Taiwan. This year's report said that China can launch what it termed soft and hard electronic attacks, including blocking communications across the western part of the first island chain, the string of islands that run from the Japanese archipelago, through Taiwan and down to the Philippines. China can combine with its internet army to launch wired and wireless attacks against the global internet, which would initially paralyze our air defenses, command of the sea and counter-attack system abilities, presenting a huge threat to us. China's defense ministry did not respond to a request for comment. Although Taiwan's report noted, like last year, that China still lacked transport abilities and logistical support for a large-scale invasion, the Chinese military is working to boost those abilities. With precision missile attacks that can hit anywhere on the island, China is also capable of paralyzing Taiwan military command centers and combat capacity of its naval and air forces, it said. Chinese spies in Taiwan could launch a decapitation strike to destroy political and economic infrastructure, it added. Thank you everyone for watching this video.